Good morning everyone. Let us do some problems on vector addition. Your question given is two forces whose magnitude are in the ratio of 3:5 act at an angle of 60 degree and have a resultant equal to 35 Newton. Find the magnitude of the forces. So what is given? Given two forces are in the ratio 3:5. Okay, let the forces be A and B. What is given? A is equal to 3x and B is how much? 5x, and given theta is how much? 60 degree, and resultant R is given as 35 Newton. So we have to find out the forces, that means A and B. So from triangle law of vector addition, or you may say from law of vector addition, resultant is equal to how much? A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta root over. Okay, then implies A is how much? 3x square plus B is how much? 5x square plus 2 into 3x into 5x cos theta given is 60 degree root over is equal to 9 x square plus 25x square plus how much? 2 3 is 6, 5 is 30 x square, and cos 60 is how much? 1/2. That implies how much? 9x square plus 25x square plus 15x square. That is equal to how much? 25, 15, 40, 49. 49x square. So R given is how much? It is 35. That implies is equal to how much? 7x. That implies 35 is equal to 7x. So x is how much? 35 upon 7 is equal to 5. So the forces are, therefore the forces are, A is how much? A is equal to 3x. That means 3 into 5 is equal to 15 Newton, and B is how much? 5x. That means 5 into 5, 25 Newton. Okay. Next, given that vector A plus vector B is equal to R and A square plus B square is equal to R square, find the angle between vector A and vector B. From vector addition, we know that R square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Yes, that implies R square is equal to, in place of A square plus B square, we can write, it is given A square plus B square is equal to R square. So R square plus 2AB cos theta. Now R square take it to LHS. So we can write 2AB cos theta is how much? 0. Okay, that implies cos theta is equal to 0, or implies cos theta is equal to cos 90. That means theta is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Next, two forces acting on a particle in opposite directions have the resultant of 10 Newton. If they act at right angles to each other, the resultant is 50 Newton. Find the two forces. it is given two forces acting on a opposite direction. That means in first case theta is how much? Opposite direction, that means 180 degree. So in that case resultant is how much? Resultant is R is equal to A minus B. It is the special case of vector addition. You have to remember it. Okay. So A minus B is how much? Is equal to 10 or 10 Newton. Again, if they act at right angles to each other, the resultant is 50 Newton. That means when theta is equal to 90 degree, that means in this case R is how much? A square plus B square root over. Yes, that is equal to how much? It is 50 Newton. Okay. So find the two forces from A minus B is equal to 10. That implies A is equal to how much? B plus 10. Okay. Let equation number 1, it is equation number 2. Now substitute this in putting A is equal to B plus 10 in equation 2. We get how much? A square plus B square root over is how much? 50. That means in place of A, B plus 10 square plus B square root over is equal to 50. That implies B square plus 100 plus 20B plus B square, okay, is equal to 50. Now squaring both side, or first simplify this, that is 2B square plus 20B plus 100 root over is equal to 50. स्क्वायर कर दीजिए दोनों साइड में. स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड, it is how much? 2b square plus 20b plus 100 is how much? 50 square is equal to, or is equal to, so b square plus 10b plus 50 is equal to how much? Sorry, 25. Okay. So that implies 2b square plus 20b is equal to 2400. That means it is b square plus 10b divided by 2 is equal to, implies b square plus 10b minus 1200 is equal to 0. Now solve this quadratic equation. Okay, so we can write this as b square plus 40b minus of 30b minus 1200 is equal to 0. Take b as common, so b plus 40 minus of 30, then b plus 40 is equal to 0. That implies b minus 30 or b plus 40 is equal to 0. That implies b minus 30 is equal to 0 or b plus 40 is equal to 0. That means b is equal to 30. And a is how much? And a is equal to b plus 10. That is equal to 30 plus 10 is equal to 40 Newton. Okay, so the forces are, so the forces are how much? 30 Newton and 40 Newton. Next, two equal forces have their resultant equal to either. At what angle are they inclined? That means two forces, equal forces. So A is equal to B. Equal to, their resultant is also equal to either, is equal to R. Okay, let it be F. Say we have to find out theta. So from vector law of addition, that is R is equal to how much? A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta square root. Okay, so all are equal. A is equal to B and the resultant is also equal to either of them. So we can write F square plus F square plus 2 into F cos theta root over, we can write this also as F, that is equal to 2F square plus 2F square cos theta root over, that is equal to F square, take 2F square as common, so 1 plus cos theta. Okay, root over is equal to how much? F square, that is F root over of 2 into 1 plus cos theta. So here F, here it is F, so F get cancelled. Okay, so that is 1 is equal to root over of 2 into 1 plus cos theta. Now squaring on both sides, squaring, take square. Okay, we get how much? We get 1 is equal to 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 plus cos theta, or that is equal to how much? 1 plus cos theta is equal to 1 upon 2, or implies cos theta is how much? Minus 1, that is equal to cos theta is equal to minus of 1 upon 2. So theta is how much? Cos theta is how much? That is equal to cos of 120 degree. That implies theta is equal to 120 degree. So when two equal, if two vectors are equal and their resultant is also equal to either of them, then theta is, or they incline at an angle of 120 degree. Okay, thank you.